your hair depending on how long you want it to be. 3 start. Out of budget, out of time to visit your fave hair salon. So today I'm going to share with you a do-it-yourself haircut. So this is suitable for anyone who has long hair. All you need to do is grab a chair, a pair of scissors, and a comb. So this hairstyle is basically for someone who likes a layered hairstyle. But then again, guys, if you're not so sure of doing this, don't do it. This is only for someone who has, a very courageous heart.
Restart.
So let's do it, guys. Where's my scissor? Here, and here's my hair.
1, 2, 3.
So all you need to do is bend like this and comb your hair. Comb your hair. Yes. My mother taught me this one. Mahirap talaga, no? It's so difficult when you don't have enough budget. Alright. So hold it like this. And cut your hair depending on how long you want it to be. Ayan. Ayan. O, diba? If you have a short hair and you want this kind of style, you can ask someone to cut it for you while you're bending. Right? Yeah. Yeah, so all you need to do is make sure they are, you cut it straight, okay? Yeah, done. I'm gonna blow dry my hair first so you can see I'm gonna blow dry my hair and see the result of what you did. So guys, when you blow dry your hair, make sure that it's few inches away from the hair. So you can twirl your hair. Twirl like this. You can do it like this to add volume or shape to your hair. To add volume or shape to your hair. Next, we're gonna put a little oil, hair oil, to our hair. Just a little, okay? To control the frizz, like this. But don't put drying my hair. Let's see how it looks. Layered. Yeah, so that's it. You can do it yourself at home without paying anything. All you need to do is have courage. Thank you so much for watching and for subscribing, and I hope you will enjoy life because life is too short to be wasted. Bye.